Hi mate, it's Paul. I'm from the team workout in Stafford, and the reason you click this link is because you've got knee pain. Now, in a few moments time, I'm going to show you an exercise which is very simple, but is so often done very wrong. Okay, so watch the exercise, get the key points, and it's going to help you alleviate that knee pain. Now remember, this knee pain doesn't always derive directly from that area. It can be from other areas. And when I performed the postural assessment on Jane beforehand, it identified that it was the hip. Now the hip is usually the area where there is weakness, which when that gets strong, the rest of the leg pulls back into alignment. There are a lot of other factors that it could be, so before you perform this exercise, please email me at stafford@theteamworkout.co.uk and I can help identify those problems for you. So the exercise I'm for today is the hip raise. This exercise is, as it sounds, to work the muscles on the side of the hip. The reason we're focusing on this area is because I believe that a lot of knee pain is derived from a weak area in the hip. So you're going to lie yourself on the floor in the same position as myself. Remember, the arm must be in this position to support your head. We're not lifting it up, we're just keeping it resting night. Your hand is on the floor, also keeping supports in it on a roll forwards and backwards, and keeps you locked in a great position. Now when you're lying on the floor or on a mat, preferably, you need to be lying yourself up with the edge of that mat. The reason for this is a common mistake, and also a part of the knee pain is when your hips are too tight, you put yourself into a V shape. When you're in that V shape, it's going to stop preventing that muscle working correctly. So all the way through the exercise, look down your body for that shoulder, hip and knee position in a good straight line. Exercise is very simple now. All we need to do is lift your foot up into the air and bring it back down. Okay, you've probably seen this a million times before, but make sure when you are lifting your leg up is that your heel is pushing up towards the ceiling. Okay, what tends to happen is we lift our leg probably a little bit too high, and then the foot faces towards the ceiling. When the foot faces towards the ceiling, you work the front of the leg, not the side, which means the hip muscle is not doing a hell of a lot. So as you say, perform this exercise all throughout, up to around about 30 kind of repetitions, making sure you're in that alignment. And when you feel that burn, make sure you push towards the end. If you can't reach 30, get to 20 and make sure you, next time around you push for those kind of repetitions. When you've completed the exercise, don't wait around, roll over and do it onto the other side. Make sure you've got that good alignment and perform the exercise at least 2 or 3 times a week, and that will help that muscle in that area tone that little bit more. There are a lot more things to do to help that knee pain, and if you do need any more help, please email me on stafford@theteamworkout.co.uk. That's stafford@theteamworkout.co.uk. Thank you.